The stats command in Splunk is designed to perform accelerated statistics using index time series data. It allows for high-performance statistical calculations by working directly with the index data, which significantly speeds up search operations. The stats command is a powerful feature in Splunk that enables quick calculation of statistics by leveraging index time series data. Unlike traditional search commands, it accesses data at the index level, which means searches can run much faster, especially on large datasets. Using the stats command provides several advantages. First, it accelerates search speed by utilizing the index fields, which reduces the amount of data that needs to be scanned. Second, it is highly efficient in handling large datasets. Finally, stats produces statistics directly from index data, which lowers CPU and storage usage by avoiding retrieval of full event details. The basic syntax of the stats command includes specifying the statistic to calculate, such as count, followed by the data model to query. Conditions or filters can be applied to narrow down the data, and grouping fields allow aggregation of results. This structure gives users flexibility to customize their statistical queries. Here is a simple example of the stats command. It counts events from the web index and groups the results by the time field with 1-hour spans. This approach provides a quick overview of event counts over hourly intervals without scanning all raw data. This command sums the value of a sales field from a sales data model, filtered by the region EMEA. Results are grouped by time and daily intervals. Using stats in this way helps generate fast, summarized reports on key business metrics. To get the most from the stats command, leverage index fields to maximize search performance. Use the appropriate time spans to control data granularity and filter early to reduce the amount of data scanned. Avoid complex joins or running additional statistics commands after stats to keep searches efficient. The stats command is essential for high-performance statistical queries in Splunk by utilizing index time series data. It helps improve search speed and reduces resource consumption, making it a critical tool for efficient data analysis in large-scale environments. Use the command wisely to optimize your Splunk searches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.